Imagine a rocket that launches into space, but instead of falling back to Earth, it stays in orbit for years, then lands on a runway like an airplane. This is the X-37B, a real-life spaceplane that's part rocket, part airplane, and all mystery. Robotic, windowless, and crewless, it quietly circles above us, its mission secret. The X-37B is a symbol of innovation, reusable, mysterious, and always reaching for the stars. So, what is the X-37B? It's an orbital test vehicle, a spaceplane built by Boeing for the U.S. Space Force to test new tech in orbit. About the size of a small school bus, it's compact but powerful, with a wingspan of just 15 feet. Its most important feature? Reusability. Unlike old rockets that were used once and discarded, the X-37B can fly again and again, making space missions cheaper and more efficient. It's unmanned. No astronauts on board. Everything is controlled by computers and ground operators, allowing it to stay in space far longer than humans could. This makes it perfect for risky or long-duration experiments in the harsh environment of space. The X-37B has a special cargo bay like a trunk that can open in orbit to release satellites or expose experiments to space. Scientists use it to test new solar panels, materials, and antennas, seeing how they perform in real conditions. Each mission is a chance to try out new ideas, making the X-37B a traveling science lab. Its robotic design means it can go where people can't, and do what people shouldn't. Every flight brings us closer to making space more accessible and routine. The X-37B is a key step toward the future of space exploration. It's our laboratory in the sky, quietly advancing technology for tomorrow. On December 28, 2023, the X-37B launched on its latest mission, its 7th official flight, aboard a powerful SpaceX Falcon Heavy rocket. This launch from Kennedy Space Center sent the spaceplane higher than ever before, opening new frontiers for testing. One major experiment, NASA's laser communications test, using beams of light to send data faster than ever, crucial for future Mars missions. Another, Seeds 2, exposing plant seeds to space radiation to learn how we might grow food on other planets. The X-37B is helping us answer big questions about living and communicating in space. This mission also tests aerobraking, using the atmosphere to slow down during re-entry, helping engineers design safer spacecraft. Every experiment and maneuver provides data to improve future missions. The X-37B's robotic flights are paving the way for routine, long-term space travel. Each journey brings us closer to living and working beyond Earth. The future of space exploration is being built, one secret mission at a time. The X-37B's latest mission is just the newest chapter in a remarkable history. Since its first flight in 2010, 2 X-37B vehicles have taken turns flying, each mission lasting longer and testing more advanced technology. Altogether, the X-37B has spent over 3,700 days, more than 10 years, in space, with one mission lasting nearly 2.5 years. No other reusable spacecraft comes close to this record. Past missions have deployed tiny CubeSats, tested advanced thrusters like Hall engines, and tried out new materials. The X-37B's quiet achievements have pushed the boundaries of what's possible in space. It's tested secret payloads for the U.S. military and helped develop new ways to operate in orbit. Each successful landing is a victory for the engineers and scientists behind the program. The X-37B's legacy is one of innovation, reliability, and quiet progress. It's a preview of the future of space technology, working tirelessly above our heads. Much of what the X-37B does is classified, its missions shrouded in secrecy. While we know about some experiments, most details are kept under wraps by the U.S. Space Force. Why the secrecy? The X-37B is a military project, helping the U.S. maintain an edge in space. It likely tests new sensors, protective materials, and maneuvering systems for future satellites. Some wonder if it's a space weapon, but officials say it's mainly a testbed for new technology. Like a laboratory in orbit, it lets engineers perfect ideas away from prying eyes. This secrecy protects national security and gives the U.S. a chance to innovate privately. The X-37B's ability to fly, work, and return home again is a powerful advantage. Each mission makes testing faster, cheaper, and less risky. The mystery is part of its story, pushing the boundaries while keeping its secrets. As we look to the future, the X-37B leads the way, quietly unlocking the universe's secrets. The sky is full of mysteries, and this little spaceplane is helping us solve them.